Hello everybody, welcome back to Osteo Fitness Collective. The following video is going to demonstrate the best strengthening exercises for the ankle. These can be used and integrated as both a training and a rehabilitation program. The first exercise is a calf raise, lifting up with both feet, aiming between 10 to 15 reps. To increase the difficulty, we're now going on to single leg calf raises, aiming on one side, lifting up the other leg and looking between 10 to 15 reps. With all these exercises, go at your own pace. With rehabilitation of the ankle, it's very important to gradually increase the resistance. What you can move on to is adding a weighted bar, plate or dumbbells to add a little bit more resistance to your calf raises. Again, aiming between 10 to 15 reps. We're now going to look at isolating certain movements of the ankle with a TheraBand. The first one is plantarflexion. Hooking the TheraBand over the ball of the foot, you're gently pointing the foot towards the floor, aiming between 10 to 15 reps. We're next moving on to resisted dorsiflexion, engaging the tibialis anterior muscle. What we do for this is hook the TheraBand over both feet and gently pull the foot up towards you. We are aiming between 10 to 15 reps of this particular exercise on both sides. The next one is looking at your perineal muscles. Again, hooking the TheraBand over both feet, gently turn your foot outwards. Again, aiming between 10 to 15 reps on both sides. With this particular exercise, again, nice, slow and controlled, and again, going at your own pace. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also follow the link below to our website.